Courchevel, and welcome to the Courchevel video report on, date 3rd of April. So today is the 3rd of April. We have some sun. It's a bit limited. I'll be lying if I said it wasn't raining stroke snowing this morning, but this afternoon the sun has come out and it is glorious, and maybe finally we might start getting a bit of spring. Because really the last 6-7 days has been pretty minging actually. Lots of dreich days, clagged in cloud, snow, rain in resort. It's been a wee bit minging. Those that were on holiday last week were, they had bon courage. But of course it's brought more snow. More snow is not going to be sniffed at. But I think everyone is looking forward to that big fiery ball in the sky maybe making a bit more of a regular appearance. And the forecast is a wee bit mixed for the next few days still. But long range, we are looking to get some nice unbroken high pressure. Temperatures, because we've had that sort of cloud, we've had that wind, it's actually not been that hot. I mean, you can see I'm sitting in the sun, but I still wear my jacket. Maybe take it off if the sun stays out from behind the cloud. It's been in the positives. We've been sort of 5 to 10 degrees up the mountain, but not those super warm temperatures that we'd be expecting for April. So as a result, the snow is staying really good. So the positives of all the sort of nasty weather of the last few days is the skiing's great. Skiing is absolutely sensational. I've been out this afternoon and it is glorious. Like, even late in the day, the snow hasn't been sticky, it hasn't been getting mushy. It's been really, really nice and just pleasant skiing. Like, when it is that little bit softer towards the springtime, you ski like a hero. Anyone can get an edge in, and it's an absolute joy. So the skiing and snowboarding is really, really good. And as long as that sun can come out and stay out, I think we're all going to be happy. Now, there's lots of cool things going on in resort. What with it being springtime, there's a lot, resorts quite busy for Easter, although you wouldn't notice it on the slopes. No lifts, queues at all. But there's lots of happening things. We're actually just opposite the Funky Fox pub, where today they're hosting a hog roast. Now, this place in 1650 really is a sun trap. At this time of year, if that sun does come out, it's the place to come after skiing. They do barbecues a couple of times a week. They've got, as I said, a hog roast today. There's a few interesting costumes flying around because there's been a big Three Valley rally today. People in teams of 4 travelling across the mountains on some kind of ridiculous voyage. And that's a bit of a theme that's going on. There's quite a lot of outdoor events coming up for the rest of April. Now, huge event next week, the 10th. So Wednesday the 10th of April. If you're in resort, if you're anywhere, definitely get to this place. It's in Maribel Village and it's the biggest charity day of the season. It's huge. Now, this charity day has been going for 10 plus years. It's such a key feature of the season. Bands, barbecues, Harley Davidson motorcycle rides. There really is loads going on, and all the money raised goes to charity, which is absolutely fantastic. So Maribel Village next Wednesday, get yourselves there. Now, the other things that are going on in resort just now, if you're out and about, you can get yourself over to the Monterey DC Park tomorrow and Friday. There's a big event, lots of pro snowboarders heading down there. So if you're into your snowboarding, you want to check out some of the world's best athletes, there's going to be some amazing freestyle being thrown down there. There's comedy nights coming up in the Boulotte in Courchevel Morillon, so it's well worth dropping in there to inquire as to what's going on. Other than that, we're just hoping for some sunny days, some enjoyable skiing. The snow's great. Courchevel.